Gab, ano nga nangyayari dito sa kwan mo?
Gulong.
Paano nasira itong gulong niya?
Hindi. Hindi.
Beyond the boat ride, visitors can immerse themselves in various hands-on activities, such as learning to turn leaves into hats and ornaments, participating in fish-catching games,
Kaputo kaya ito, Gab eh.
Nana, ikan na tao naman
The experience is both entertaining and educational, offering insight into the needs of a culture and the ecological importance of the mangrove ecosystem.
ang machuno.
No. Okay na. Ano sasabihin mo?
Salamat po.